Is Do Not Disturb not working on your iPhone? Let's fix it in minutes. Step 1. Turn on Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap on Focus Mode. Make sure Do Not Disturb is selected and active. If it's not enabled, turn it on. Step 2. Check Allowed People and Apps. Sometimes calls or notifications still come through because they're allowed. Open the settings on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on Focus. Here, select Do Not Disturb. Tap people and check if anyone is allowed. Remove people who are allowed. Go back and click on Apps. Remove any apps that are allowed to send notifications. Make sure no one is bypassing DND unless you want them to. Step 3. Check the schedule. Stay inside Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on the Focus. Click on the Do Not Disturb. Scroll down to Set a Schedule. Edit or delete any schedule if it's interfering. Step 4. Turn off Share Across Devices. If you use multiple Apple devices, settings may sync and confuse. Go to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on the Focus. Turn off Share Across Devices. This keeps your iPhone's DND independent. Step 5. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button plus volume down button. Slide to power off. Turn it back on after a few seconds. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to Settings on your phone. Then scroll down and click on General. Here, tap on the Software Update. Install the latest update if available. Bug fixes in updates often solve focus issues. And that's it.